Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix, and in this video I will show you how to remove or replace Royal Enfield's front tire and front mudguard. So come on, let's start the video. So first you will have to take a 24mm socket and you will have to take out the axle nut of the front tire. Now this nut will be very tight. So to loosen it, you will have to make use of a long pipe so that it will loosen without putting much efforts. Now this bolt and nut will rotate together sometimes. If both of them are rotating together, then you will have to hold the bolt with a spanner on the other side so that it will loosen properly. So on one side, you will have to hold the spanner with one hand, and now you can loosen the nut from this side like this very easily. So here comes out my nut. Now you will have to take a 12mm socket, and the mudguard will have 4 bolts this side. Out of the 4 bolts, you will have to take 3 bolts completely out, and 1 bolt you will have to leave it there only. Now this side I will put this bolt back because this is the bolt which I will leave there. You will have to do this so that while removing the tire out, your mudguard will not fall, but see that you loosen it and keep. Now once you are done doing all these things from this side, then you'll have to go on the other side, and when you come on this side also there will be 4 bolts. This side also you will have to take those 3 bolts out completely, and 1 bolt just loosen it and leave it there only. So once you do this, your mudguard will move like this. Now leave it like that only. Now the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to disconnect the speedometer cable connection. To take out the speedometer cable connection, as you can see here, this will loosen just by hand only. So loosen the cable nut ring, separate it completely from the hub. Then you will have to take a hammer like this and bang it on the axle bolt. Once the axle bolt comes out half the way, you might have to use a rod like this and bang further so that the bolt comes out completely. Now if you come on this side, you will see this spacer. When you are putting the tire back, see that you remember where to put the correct spacer. Then you will have to pull the axle bolt out like how I am doing here. So here comes out my axle bolt. Once this bolt is out, you will have to take out the speedometer hub drive carefully. This is my speedometer hub drive. Now inside of this also there lies a spacer. This is the spacer. So while putting everything back, see that you remember where to put this spacer. Now keep that on the side. Now you will have to lift the Royal Enfield a little bit here, and the tire you will have to slide it out like this. So here my tire is completely separated from the bike now. So once you separate the tire from the bike, on the mudguard there will be brake fluid pipe connected. So take that pipe out from the loop and separate it from the guard. Once you separate that, the bolts which you have left on the mudguard on both the sides, now you will have to take those 2 bolts out completely. Once you take both those bolts out completely, just turn the mudguard like this, and you will have to be extremely careful here. The mudguard should not get scratched, and you will have to slide the mudguard from underneath the shock absorbers like this, and your mudguard is now completely separated from the bike. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.